Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing well today. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to help you, motivate you, encourage you, and inspire you to tremendous successes in your ketogenic journey and lifestyle. And today's subject is quite helpful for most all folks. In fact, the people that are most successful with ketogenic diet and lifestyle are those folks that utilize this characteristic. And that is to keep the lifestyle as simple as possible. Limit your decision fatigue. Reduce the number of decisions by automating meals and routines on keto. And we're going to talk about this theme today. You know, starting on the ketogenic diet and lifestyle is a rewarding journey filled with opportunities for better health, weight loss, and increased energy. However, it can also bring unexpected challenges, especially around the daily decisions that come down to meal planning and staying on track. This is where what I call decision fatigue sometimes sets in, a subtle but significant drain on your mental energy can start to creep in. By reducing the number of choices you need to make each day, you can reserve your willpower and focus for other aspects of your life. Automating meals and routines is an effective strategy to help you stay consistent with keto while making it simpler and more sustainable over the long term. So you might ask, what is decision fatigue? Well, every day we make thousands of decisions, both big and small. As the day progresses, each choice gradually drains our mental energy, leading to what's known as decision fatigue. This is the mental exhaustion that comes from constant decision making, and it's one of the main reasons people tend to fall off their diet or lifestyle plans or give in to cravings later in the day. By the time we reach dinner, the mental load can make it much harder to stick to our goals. Limiting the number of decisions we have to make about food can keep us on track, especially in the context of the ketogenic lifestyle. So let's talk about automating your meals. One of the best ways to reduce this decision fatigue is to automate your meal planning. By developing a weekly meal plan that repeats the same or similar meals throughout the week, you won't be asking, what's for dinner, what's for lunch? You can eliminate the need for asking those questions because the answers will come very readily to you because you're keeping your meal planning as simple and basic as possible. Here are a few steps, everybody, to get started. Number 1, pick a few favorites. Select 3 to 5 keto meals you love and that meet your macronutrient goals. Rotate these meals throughout the week to keep things simple and predictable. Number 2, batch cooking. Prepare meals in bulk, such as grilling a large portion of chicken breasts, making a big batch of egg muffins, or cooking ground beef with low-carb veggies. This way, you can have meals ready to go, saving you time and mental energy. Number 3, repeat breakfast and lunch. Many people find it easy to eat the same breakfast and lunch each day and vary only their dinners. Having a go-to breakfast like a vegetable omelet or Greek yogurt with nuts takes the guesswork out of your morning routine. Now, It's also important to simplify your grocery list. Creating a standardized grocery list that you use every week can also streamline your routine and reduce the time and energy spent on food decisions. Stick to keto essentials such as leafy greens, avocados, eggs, fatty fish, and high-quality meats. By keeping your grocery list consistent, you can reduce the chance of impulse purchases and indecision in the store, making it easier to stay on track with your diet. Now, let's talk about streamlining other routines. Automating your non-food related routines can further help reduce decision fatigue. For instance, setting a specific time each day for a short workout or planning a weekly time to prepare meals can help you stick to your goals. You might even pre-plan your outfits for the week or set reminders for hydration. Small routines like these make your day flow more smoothly and help conserve mental energy for when you need it the most. So, embrace the power of habit. This is very helpful. As you begin to automate meals and routines, you're likely to find that sticking to keto becomes less of a challenge and more of a lifestyle. By taking the decision-making out of your daily routine, you allow yourself to focus on enjoying the journey and reaping the benefits of keto without unnecessary stress. And there you go. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for doing that. This has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.